Hello everyone, how to tools back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you what is the meaning of UGC and clipping on Whop App. So if you already know about Whop, then you just know about this term UGC and Whop. So basically we need to go discover to understand. Like many companies offer you to create videos and upload it in your social media, and you will get rewards, like you will get money for per 1,000 views. So you can see here two type, like type UGC and type clipping. So UGC, it means user generated content, like all the content you created by yourself and upload this content in Instagram or other social media. And clipping, it means this company already provide you the videos, and you have to cut the clip, the important and crucial clip, and use it in your videos. It calls a clipping. So it means that it's like a copyright, but it's not copyright because you are using their videos, and they allow it for some requirement. So this is clipping and uses the difference.